Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the C diminished chord on your piano or keyboard. I'm going to show you both how to play the 3-note chord C diminished and the 4-note chord C diminished 7th. So let's locate the key C, your root note. Next note you need is the note E flat. And the next note you'll need is the F sharp, like this. This chord is in fact the C diminished chord, a 3-note chord. Now if you want to make it a C diminished 7th, simply add one more note, the note A, like this, and you have a C diminished 7th chord. Okay? Now because the C diminished 7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also make what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. So this is the root inversion because you have the root note at the bottom. To make the first inversion of the chord, simply move the bottom note of the chord, C, to the top. Move your hand. So there you have the C diminished 7th chord, first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, the E flat, to the top. Move your hand. So this is the C diminished 7th chord, second inversion. To make one more inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord to the top. So this is the third inversion of the chord. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion of the chord, moving the bottom note A to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, the root note at the bottom, only one octave higher, right? And of course you can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion of the chord. This time move the top note, A, to the bottom. C diminished 7th, third inversion. Again, move the top note to the bottom. The second inversion. Let's do one more. Top note to the bottom. First inversion. And the last one, top note to the bottom. Root inversion. So those were the inversions of the C diminished 7th chord. Now if you only want to use the 3-note chord, the C diminished, you only have to remove this note like this. So to do inversions now, same principle. Root inversion, move the bottom note to the top. First inversion, one more, bottom note to the top. Second inversion. And again, you'll notice because there's only 3 notes this time, when you move this note to the top, you'll be back at the root inversion of the chord. Let's go the other way. Root inversion, top note to the bottom. Second inversion, top note to the bottom. First inversion, and lastly, top note to the bottom, and you'll be back at root inversion. So there you have it. The 3-note chord, C diminished. Or add this one, the 4-note chord, C diminished 7th. Okay, so please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson. I'm sure you did. And remember to subscribe to this channel so you can get more free piano lessons from me. That's all, guys. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Thank you.
So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.